Ate Bailey. Narinig niyo na ba yung kwento ni Little Red Riding Hood?
Yes, ako.
Gusto niyo bang marinig? There was once a little girl called Little Red Riding Hood. One day, her mother told her to visit her sick grandmother. Don't talk to the strangers, dear, her mother warned her.
Yeah.
On her way, she met a wolf. The wolf asked, "Where are you going, little girl?" She answered, "My grandma is sick. I have to take care of her." The wolf then rushed to Little Red Riding Hood's grandmother's house. When her grandmother saw the wolf, she quickly hid herself inside a wardrobe. The wolf dressed himself as the grandmother and lay in the bed. Soon, Little Red Riding Hood reached her grandmother's house. She felt strange when she looked at her grandmother. "Dear Grandma, you look like a wolf," she said. "Bingo," said the wolf with his big wide mouth. Little Red Riding Hood ran out of the house and shouted, "Help! Help!" A hunter came to her rescue and shot the wolf with his rifle. Grandmother and Little Red Riding Hood were very grateful to the hunter. They happily said, "Thank you for saving our lives, sir." Ayun yung kwento ni Little Red Riding Hood. Tapos na.